Inside Workflow and Organization, you'll find the Task Manager. If you want to move the Task Manager to any other part of Artova, just hover and click the three dots to move it to a different section. The Task Manager is where you create boards to plan and track everything that you're doing inside your business. When you enter the Task Manager, you should see an example board here, Website and Shop. This is just to give you an idea of what the Task Manager can look like. Now, there are two ways of viewing your tasks. You can have them in a list or in a card view. I personally love the card view. Within your board theme, you can edit the title by clicking the pencil icon and editing it here. You can then add multiple tabs within the board. To edit the title of a tab, you can double click it, or you can click the three dots here to rename. To add a new task, click Add New Task. And again, you can flip between Card View and List View. To edit the name of the task, just click here and type your task in. This task is the big overarching task, and the subtasks are how you achieve that task. Again, in the Card View, you can continue to add subtasks here. Just type the subtask and hit Enter. You can edit the status by clicking the drop-down and choosing an option. You can also edit the priority to low, medium, or high. You can add a due date if you want, and any notes. You can also add a tag, for example, website, and having this tag will make it a lot easier to search for a particular task if you have lots inside your task manager. Everything you input inside the card view will transfer over to the list view. When you add a new task, you can click and drag to switch them, and you can do the same inside the list view. If you have lots of tasks inside your task manager, you can search via the search bar, and as you type, the relevant task will appear. You can search across this one tab or all your tabs. You can search via status and all the in progress will appear. You can also search via priority and customize the order that they show. You can clear all filters by clicking Clear Filters here. This search feature comes in really handy when you've got a lot of tasks to manage. Back into the boards, you can click the three dots if you want to duplicate a board, and it will show here as a copied version. All of your items are copied over. To create a new board, click New Board at the top and you can name it here. You'll see your board at the bottom and you can open it up. And if you want any help getting started with the kind of tasks you want to add, just click Tova at the bottom right and she can help you out.